Chin's 10-10 Cooking Show.
Yes, it's our girl Peggy Tjin, who's not just a global food critic, but has earned the title of international TV cooking show host. Peggy Tjin, now in 5 countries twice daily on TV with her own production called Peggy Tjin's 10-10.
$10.
Peggy challenges herself in the kitchen every day to discover and translate for us the mysteries of cuisine. Having mastered the quick assembly of magnificent dinners at a fraction of the expected cost, she can guide you in the effortless preparation of lightning fast, ferociously fancy, deliciously healthy, organic, and portion-controlled fusion meals. Oh yeah, our girl is rocking it with lots of TV interviews and appearances in magazines and glossies. It's like everywhere you look, there's Peggy. Every day, you can find her recipes in the Bon Dia or Aruba Today. Peggy is also a loving wife, model, executive producer, and a willing and able coach. She'll even offer you a helping hand at home to guide you to master her skill and create a dazzling 10-10 meal yourself. This is Peggy's new project called Triple H. Now, if you need a helping hand at home, make sure you send Peggy an email because you never know. Maybe you're next. As a global food critic, Peggy travels the world to find the most epic venues and dishes to report back to you. So make sure you read about her reviews. And if you want to know how to get a hold of her, check out her website. And make sure you follow her on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Oh yeah, and as Peggy always says,
Bon Apetito from Peggy with love.